This tutorial review will show you how to create an event on Facebook. First of all, launch your Facebook and make sure to log in into your Facebook account. And here you'll find this events option. So click on that. And to create a new event, all you have to need is just click on create new event. And now to add a cover photo to your event, click on add cover photo, upload cover photo, and I'm going to selecting a cover photo from here. Now enter here your event name. Now select your event start date and select start time. You can add an event end date and time by clicking here. Is it in person or virtual? Click on this drop down and select an option from here. Right now I'll create an event in person, so I'm going to select in the first option. And to add a location to your event, type the location. Who can see it? Select privacy. I'm going to creating a friends event. And now enter here your event details. You can add a co-host to your event from here. Enter here the profile name. You can repeat the event from here, and you can go to additional settings, and from here you can show your guest list. Then all you have to need, just click on create event. And as we can see, my event has been successfully created. Once it's created, you can invite people to your event from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.